My wife is 42 years old. Should we use an egg donor? What is the maximum age suggested for self IVF surrogacy? Unfortunately, for a woman, the egg quality or ovarian reserve declines with age. Usually, after the age of 37, the ovarian reserve declines very rapidly. And there are certain tests to determine ovarian reserve. Very simply, on a baseline screening, that means screening done on day 1, 2, or 3 of the menstrual cycle, if the hormone FSH is checked for, it gives a very good reflection of the ovarian reserve. If the FSH is more than 15, then this woman, irrespective of her age, even if she's 25 years old and has irregular menses and her baseline FSH is more than 15, then this patient has premature ovarian failure and will require donor egg IVF to get pregnant. If the FSH level is between 10 and 15, again this woman is called as having incipient ovarian failure. And today research tells us that a single FSH level, a single baseline FSH level done on day 1 or 2 of a woman's menstrual cycle, which is between 10 and 15, will land up with this level crossing 15 within 1 calendar year. That means if you have had a level between 10 and 15 within 365 days, in 99% of patients you're going to have this level go beyond 15 and this woman is going to go into premature ovarian failure. Today there are other tests like AMH and inhibin B which are also useful in predicting ovarian reserve. So we use a combination of all these tests along with a transvaginal ultrasound antral follicle score, and keeping all this in mind, we prognosticate if a woman is going to produce eggs and produce healthy eggs. And for women who are more than 39, 40 and who don't want to go in for donor egg IVF and want to still try despite these parameters signifying poor ovarian reserve, we can try an IVF with very high doses of gonadotropins or very high doses of fertility drugs as a last ditch effort before the woman will be going into a donor egg IVF program.
SurrogacyClinics.com is the premium global resource for assisted reproductive technology, ART. For more information, fill out the estimate request form on our site, www.surrogacyclinics.com. That's www.surrogacyclinics.com.